Um, yeah, this is actually happening. It's actually happening. I don't know why I decided to do this. It's just, it came to my head, so let's go in, I guess. Oh gosh, why did I decide to do this? Okay, let's do this. Okay. Oh no. No! Steve! Steve! Steve, buddy! Help me! Oh no! Guests and why is everybody guests and Steve? What the heck is happening? Invite my friends to play the game with me? Maybe later. Maybe. What is happening right now? Like, why did I decide to do this? Oh, yay. Oh, God, no. Wait. Oh, it's just a glitch. Be Sonic, be Mario. I'd be Sonic. Yes! Woo! Woo! We're doing it, boy! Oh no, stop! I'll fly at Mario! I wonder what Mario's dungarees are made out of, hey? Denim. Dungarees mean overalls, so Mario's overalls, denim. Whoa, I'm Sonic, boy! Alright, would I rather eat sand or eat dirt? You know what? Okay. Oh. Wait. Oh God, no. Oh, so they're actually eating sand and this is disgusting. Minigames! I need minigames, please! Please, I need minigames! Okay, I'm back. Stop it! Just stop that, please, though. Stop. Just stop. Please stop. Okay. Would you rather be a snowman or be a gingerbread man? Gingerbread man. One. I'm a gingerbread man! I'm a gingerbread. Oh, of course it's gonna be this. I'm a gingerbread man. I'm a gingerbread man. I'm a gingerbread man. The Muffin Man. No, I don't know the Muffin Man. He doesn't live on Drury Lane anymore. He moved to Chicago. The Muffin Man. No, I don't know the Muffin Man. He moved to Chicago. He moved to Chicago. Right, would you rather have no gravity? Have extra gravity. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Oh no, my sister's just... Oh yes! Yes! Yeah! Woohoo! Oh yes! 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 Woohoo! Oh no, I'm gonna fall down, aren't I? Ready? Oh, am I gonna die? Oh! weird. Would I rather jump off a very high diving board, skydive from a plane? I'd skydive from a plane. Or actually, skydive from a plane! Bam! Oh no. Skydive from a plane! Oh no! Help me now. Help me now, darling. Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Papa's gonna bite a head off a bird. Oh no, this is just weird. Let's turn up the light a bit. Oh no, that's too bright, that's too bright. Anyway. Next round. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam. Would I rather be a pirate, be a ninja? I feel like 3, 2, 1. Roar! I'm a ninja. This is lame. I was way too excited about this. I was way too excited about this. Rip off! This is just wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. Yeah, I'll say wrong. Be a Slytherin or be a Gryffindor? Gryffindor. I am a Gryffindor. Harry Potter rocks, bro. Oh no. Oh no. And I'm still a ninja? Wait, what do the Slytherins look like? Why have you got a saxophone? Why does he have a saxophone? Where are my robes? Oh. This is just, I'm a ninja. So, just, why? I'm not in the mood. Alright, one more round. Oh, what are you saying, Pooh? Would I rather jump off a very high diving board or I'm gonna do this one now because I already did that one. Why? I'm just gonna accept them. I said jump off a high diving board. Jeez, not jump off a plane. Don't use parachutes! Oh god. Oh no! No! Ah! Oh no! Oh, okay. Okay, that's done. Alright, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for the video of Would You Rather. So, okay. This is me saying, well, basically, just, yeah. Later, gamers.